Ah, another German classic, Spritzgebäck, which literally means squeeze cookies. Mine turned out a bit thinner than they should be, but the taste is just as amazing. You'll need to knead 300 gram butter at room temperature, 200 gram marzipan, 100 gram sugar, 2 eggs, and 500 gram flour into a decently soft dough. This time no resting needed. So the tricky part and the reason why these are called squeeze cookies. You need to squeeze them out, quite obviously. We used to have a special attachment for our meat grinder to be able to make these cookies in the right shapes and thicknesses. They had all different kinds of nozzles for all the different shapes that we used to love, but sadly it got broken, and in Turkey they do not have that machine readily available. So I opted for a cookie gun, or however these things are called, and selected the ones that might work. I say might, but as you can see, it works great. It is just a tiny bit too thin for my taste. I tried another attachment, which was wider and a bit thicker, but not perfect for my taste. Once we get our baking tray full, it is time for the oven. Bake these at 170 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes. They should just have a slight color, so keep an eye on these cookies. As a final touch, you can, but you don't have to, dip these into molten chocolate. It gives the whole thing a nice balance. Well, this was day 15 for our advent calendar. The recipe is as usual in the description below. See you tomorrow for day 16.